Yo, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to optimize your PC to get 1000 FPS in Fortnite. But before we start, I would like to ask you guys to help me out in the Fortnite item shop, putting on code Rhideops over there, and then you'll be supporting this channel. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm out. Peace. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to my Discord server that is gonna be linked down in the description below. Go to the free tweak section over here, and then you're gonna download this utility tool that's gonna let you optimize your PC. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open the file. It's gonna take you to this welcome section. Oh, and I forgot, you have to open it as administrator. So once you open it as an administrator, it's gonna give you welcome screen in Spanish because I sell tweaks in Spanish too. So you're gonna click any key to continue, and then you can go and start creating a restore point by pressing the number 1 and hitting enter. So it's gonna create a restore point for you guys to come back to the original configuration of your PC, just in case you had some problems with the tweaks. And yeah, mostly it's to help you guys to restore and revert all the optimizations that I'm adding on this video. Second, we have the bloat PC. You're gonna click on the number 2. It's gonna start uninstalling all useless apps from Windows. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. We're gonna wait a couple minutes, and then we're gonna go to point 3. Once it's finished, you're gonna click, well, it says press any key to continue. You're gonna start, click enter or whatever. Then you're gonna go and click on the number 3. It's an optimization for the registry. So you're gonna click on 3. And then it's all gonna be optimized. Your registry is gonna be optimized pretty basically, not changing a lot of stuff, you know, but some things that gonna help you out with FPS and lowering down your delay. When it's done, you're gonna see it over here. It says press any key to continue. And by the way, if you're interested in what registry I use for Win32 priority separation, the value is on 26. I think this is a really good number for basically a general amount of users that are trying to optimize their PC. Once you have that, press any key to continue. Then you're gonna go to the number 4, and it's gonna optimize your network adapter. It's gonna optimize your network adapters, and basically it might lower down your ping. So you're gonna click on 4. It's gonna ping everything, and after that you're gonna press any key to continue, and then you're basically done. If you want to revert all those tweaks, you're gonna click on the letter R. In my case, I'm not gonna do it, but it's gonna open the restore point, and over here you can see I was already testing this out some time before publishing this video, so that's why I have so many restore points. But over here you can access and go back to the original files if you didn't like the optimization of, or if you had any problems with it, you can basically just go back to the default settings. And last of all, we have the letter A. It's for support. It's gonna take you to my Discord, just in case you would like to buy a complete personalized optimization. And yeah, it's gonna take you to my Discord. You can open a ticket over there, and I can assist you out with the next steps. Once we're done using the Rhideops free utility, what we're gonna do is download ExitLag. And actually, ExitLag is the sponsor of this video. So ExitLag is used to reroute the connection of your server to the game servers. What it means is that it's gonna optimize how your PC is connected to the server, looking for the best route for your connection to be basically done with 0 delay, or reduce the delay, or ping, in other words, to the server. Once you have downloaded ExitLag, what you're gonna do, as you guys see, I already have these 3 games set up, but I'm going to teach you guys how to set up and configure ExitLag properly, because I've seen some people saying no, it's not working, it's not being useful for me. and some stuff like that. But for me, it actually helps. And you can also try it for 3 days free. And if you guys want to purchase it for 3 months, or if you guys want to buy the annual subscription, you can also use my code that I'm gonna be leaving it in the description below or in the screen over here. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna click on Fortnite, or you can search for your game over here. In my case, I can go for Fortnite. Now, you're gonna click on, it depends on what region you play on, but in my case, I play North America. So we click on North America, and it's just gonna look around for servers around North America in that region, okay? Specifically that region. So that's gonna be used for West, for East, and NA Central servers in this case. And then you're gonna click on redirect login to turn that on. Go to advanced settings, and you're gonna click on 4 UDP routes and 0 TCP routes. And the reason for this is because Fortnite is a UDP game. It doesn't use the TCP protocol for your internet. So yeah, just put that on 4. Now you have to test this out to see if use local routes first. It's basically going to use your country's routes mainly for the connection of ExitLag. I recommend you to try this on and off and see what's best for you. Once you have that set up, you're going to click on yes, re-optimize, and the next thing you're going to do is go to the general settings over here. Once you go to the general settings, you're going to copy all this stuff. 0 off, on, off, high UDP TCP in case you play other games, not only Fortnite. Put an IP version, IPv4, please do that. IPv6 is not good. Now then use real-time optimization, turn on, smart optimization, turn on, enable high priority QoS, turn on, allow dual routes, turn on, enable high UDP ports, turned on. Packets redirection method, you're gonna leave that on automatic if you use or want to use ExitLag for other games. If you want to optimize your PC basically for free, you can turn on all of these settings, and it's basically gonna automatically optimize your computer. And then after you click on all these things to be on, you're gonna restart your computer and then restart ExitLag. And yeah, just start ExitLag, not restart ExitLag, just start ExitLag, bro, come on. And then network analyzer, you're gonna run scanner, and this is gonna scan how is your connection, how is your internet service doing. And yeah, it's gonna give you all the information needed for you to know what's your MS, what's your delay on your buffer bloat, what's your delay, your latency in your internet, and it's gonna let you know if you have any problems with your internet too, with your internet provider or whatever. So in my case, I have A+ because I have my PC optimized and everything. I don't know, in your case, it might help the optimization I told you guys before, the utility. It might help you get better buffer bloat. So that will be it with ExitLag. The next thing you're gonna do is go to settings. You're gonna click on settings, go to system. On system, you're gonna go to display. On display, you're gonna click on advanced display, check that you have the highest refresh rate available for your monitor, then go to graphics, click on optimization for window games, turn this on. Now it will depend, as I said, most of the optimizations I'm saying and I'm sharing to you guys are basically general, so this is not like an advanced optimization guide, it's just a general tweak. So you're gonna leave that on, then go to advanced graphics settings, turn on HAGs. Now hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, just in case you don't know what HAGs mean, that's what HAGs stands for. You're gonna turn that on, try that off to see what's better for your PC. And yeah, now go on Fortnite and choose your graphics card and put it on high performance NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. That's my graphics card, and then you're gonna have your game optimized. The next thing you're gonna do is click on Control Shift Escape, or you can click also with right click over here and click on Task Manager on the on this bar. I forgot how it's called. Anyways, so you go to startup apps, and then you're gonna disable everything from here, and that's also gonna reduce your process count. Now, process count doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all, but reducing it to a certain amount, it might help on performance on low-end PCs. I'm not saying that literally having 300 processes is good, but you have to know what we are disabling. Now, if we have 40 processes, you might have, yes, a low process count, but your Windows might not be usable. And it might be pretty dangerous for you to have important information over there, because you might even also get hacked. So it's good to have a low process count until a certain point. So don't let people tell you that you need 40 or 50 processes. In this case, I literally have Brave open. I can literally close that, and you're gonna see my process count goes to 84. If I close up Discord and close up everything, I can have even 60 processes, and I think 60 is the lowest you can go safely on Windows 10. So that's what I can advise for you guys on what is about process count. So once you have all of this done, you're gonna restart your PC and try the results for yourself.